Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide you with honest and informative reviews of top-rated products. In today's video, we're taking a look at the best winter cover for above-ground pools, the 24FT Round Winter Pool Cover by ranwin. If you're looking for a reliable and durable pool cover to protect your pool during the harsh winter months, this might just be the perfect choice for you. When it comes to safeguarding your above-ground pool from falling leaves, debris, and snow, a good winter cover can make all the difference. The ranwin 24FT Round Winter Pool Cover stands out because of its tough design and high-quality materials that can withstand freezing temperatures as low as -10 degrees Fahrenheit. No matter how cold your winters get, this cover will keep your pool protected until the weather warms up. This cover is made from polyethylene, a strong material that ensures the longevity and durability of your cover. It has a high-density mesh design that helps to keep debris out while allowing rainwater to drain off easily, so you don't have to worry about pooling water on top. The 4-foot-wide extended overlap ensures a snug and tight fit over your pool, providing extra protection from every angle. One of the key features of the ranwin cover is its tear-resistant design. The tightly woven material prevents rips and punctures, ensuring that your pool stays safe all season long. The cover is reinforced with rip-proof metal grommets and includes a sturdy steel core cable and winches, making installation easy and hassle-free. Simply slide the cable through the grommets, tighten it using the winches, and your pool is ready for the winter season. But that's not all. This winter pool cover is also designed to be highly effective in preventing dust buildup, providing both waterproof and dustproof protection. Whether you're dealing with heavy snow or unexpected rain, this cover will keep your pool in top shape, minimizing the need for cleaning when the weather finally warms up. In terms of installation, you won't find it difficult at all. The included winch and cable system ensures that the cover fits tightly around your pool, giving you peace of mind that debris won't slip through any gaps. Plus, it's designed for easy removal come springtime, making it a convenient option for pool owners who want a low-maintenance cover. In summary, the ranwin 24FT Round Winter Pool Cover is a premium product designed to protect your above-ground pool from all sorts of weather conditions. With its durability, tear-resistant design, and easy-to-use installation system, this pool cover stands out as one of the best options on the market for winter pool protection. If you're looking for a reliable solution to keep your pool safe during the off-season, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest and greatest products.